Let me teach you how to gold leaf everything. Roll on the gold leaf glue and let dry until completely clear. Take a handful of loose gold leaf and dab it over the gold leaf glue. Don't cover the entire surface. Leave a little open space between the gold leaf. Take a piece of wax paper and gently rub the gold leaf into the surface. Take a balled up piece of wax paper and gently scrub the gold leaf into the glue. Take clean wax paper and rub over excess gold leaf until smooth. Follow me for DIY and decorative painting videos. Check my comments for product information.